Longxin Laser, a high-tech enterprise with a rich history of 15 years dedicated to the field of laser industrial applications. With extensive experience in research and development, we specialize in laser tube cutting, laser sheet cutting, laser welding, and more. In our commitment to customer-centric principles and value creation, Longxin Laser strives to provide global industrial laser cutting and welding solutions that are both automated and intelligent. Our integrated approach encompasses the research, production, and sales of laser cutting and welding equipment. With over 500 employees, we annually produce more than 2,000 laser cutting machines, positioning ourselves as leaders in the domestic market for laser tube cutting. Key to our continued leadership is our active and sustained investment in research and development. Our dedicated team of over 70 experienced researchers ensures that we stay ahead of the curve, keenly understanding customer needs and consistently delivering innovative and updated products. Longxin Laser's tube cutting equipment boasts a wide product range, covering diameters from 2 mm to 1,000 mm. Our machines stand out with faster speed, higher precision, and shorter waste, making laser cutting applicable across various industries. In the welding domain, our machines can weld metals up to 20 mm thick, achieving automation through robotics and CNC systems. In the section of sheet metal cutting, Longxin Laser boasts a heavy-duty bed for stability during high-speed operations, while a cast aluminum beam reduces weight, minimizing resistance, and maximizing cutting speed. We are dedicated to delivering cost-effective cutting solutions, making excellence our constant pursuit. Our comprehensive pre-sales and after-sales service system is a vital factor in maintaining long-term partnerships. With a professional after-sales team of over 150 engineers and service centers in major regions globally, we are ready to provide prompt and high-quality service to our customers, both domestic and international. Longxin Laser currently exports equipment to over 50 countries, receiving consistent praise from satisfied customers. With showrooms, branches, and service centers in more than 20 countries, we ensure that users worldwide can experience Longxin Laser's machines up close and receive rapid service response. Longxin Laser, crafting future with light.